by the science guy. The science guy. Bill by the science guy. The science guy. Bill by the science guy.
Hey, what's up guys, it's the Founder 87 right here, and today's another episode for Weekly Memes. Weekly Memes is where I choose a certain meme, explain it to you, and show you the image, macro, and or rage. Call me compilation. Today's chosen meme is the Paranoid Parrot. Paranoid Parrot is an advice animal image macro series featuring a photo of a blue and yellow parrot looking over its shoulder. The captions often relay mundane scenarios and or everyday situations, followed by irrational responses driven by paranoia. Here's the meme image macro compilation for the Paranoid Parrot, and I hope you enjoy this. Here you go. Well, that's it for the Paranoid Parrot. If you want to suggest me a meme for the next weekly memes, just leave it in the comments down below. And if I made you laugh, giggle, or smile, please like the video and or favorite it. But mostly subscribe if you don't want to like the video, because you have like your range which you like videos. Just subscribe to me, it will be way better. Thank you, have a nice day. If you want Facebook posts about the latest viral videos, funny status updates, funny pictures, memes, and weekly memes, like my Facebook page. It's facebook.com/thefounder87 page. So if you want to be updated for those things, you like my page. There's the URL right there, the Founder87 page, and make sure you like it. Of course, you have to log in or sign up first, or if you're logged in already, you just go on the link. But yeah, you know what to do. You're smart. Thank you.
Is it